Why you should read every day. When was the last time you read a book? Harry Truman saying, "Not all readers are leaders, but all leaders are readers." The more knowledge you have, the better equipped you are to tackle any challenge you'll ever face. Everything you read fills your head with new bits of information, and you never know when it might come in handy. Can you do 5-hour rule? The 5-hour rule involves spending 5 hours a week, or 1 hour each working day focused on deliberate learning. This means setting aside time to give your full attention to learning and development, without getting distracted by other work. Just like any other muscle in the body, the brain requires exercise to keep it strong and healthy. Everything you read fills your head with new bits of information, and you never know when it might come in handy. Do you read every day? What are you reading right now? Let us know in the comments below. Reading has a significant number of benefits, and here are some of them. Number 1. Memory improvement. When you read a book, you have to remember an assortment of characters, their backgrounds, ambitions, history, and nuances, as well as the various arcs and subplots that weave their way through every story. That's a fair bit to remember, but brains are marvelous things and can remember these things with relative ease. Amazingly enough, every new memory you create forges new synapses and strengthens existing ones, which assists in short-term memory recall as well as stabilizing moods. Number 2. Improved focus and concentration. In our internet-crazed world, attention is drawn in a million different directions at once as we multitask through every day. When you read a book, all of your attention is focused on the story, the rest of the world just falls away, and you can immerse yourself in every fine detail you're absorbing. Try reading for 15 to 20 minutes before work or listen to the audiobook on your morning commute, if you take public transit, and you'll be surprised at how much more focused you are once you get to the office. Number 3. Better writing skills. This goes hand in hand with the expansion of your vocabulary. Exposure to published, well-written work has a noted effect on one's own writing, as observing the cadence, fluidity, and writing styles of other authors will invariably influence your own work. Number 4. Enjoy entertainment. Books provide some of the most engaging entertainment on the planet. As the author Stephen King said, books are a uniquely portable magic. Number 5. Improve your communication skills. The ability to communicate effectively is a vital life skill. In fact, one study discovered that 69% of employers are looking to hire people with soft skills, such as effective communication. The good news? One of the key benefits of reading is that it helps us to communicate better. How? Reading every day can improve our communication skills in a few ways. For example, reading can influence your writing and increase your vocabulary. When we read well-written work, we naturally observe its writing style, cadence, and composition. These characteristics inevitably seep into our writing, in the same way that musicians are influenced by each other. What's more, studies show that those who read regularly tend to develop large vocabularies. Finally, don't forget that reading also helps improve our communication skills by increasing our ability to empathize and understand others. Long story short, read more, communicate better, and improve your life. Number 6. People who read books live longer. That's according to Yale researchers who studied 3,635 people older than 50 and found that those who read books for 30 minutes daily lived an average of 23 months longer than non-readers or magazine readers. Apparently, the practice of reading books creates cognitive engagement that improves lots of things, including vocabulary, thinking skills, and concentration. It also can affect empathy, social perception, and emotional intelligence, the sum of which helps people stay on the planet longer. Number 7. Reduces stress. In 2009, a group of researchers measured the effects of yoga, humor, and reading on the stress levels of students in demanding health science programs in the United States. The study found that 30 minutes of reading lowered blood pressure, heart rate, and feelings of psychological distress just as effectively as yoga and humor did. So, what should you be reading? The short answer is, whatever you can get your hands on. Why is reading good for you? Reading is good for you because it improves your focus, memory, empathy, and communication skills. It can reduce stress, improve your mental health, and help you live longer. Reading also allows you to learn new things to help you succeed in your work and relationships. The best part? You can get all these benefits of reading books while enjoying some fantastic entertainment. Do you read every day? What are you reading right now? Let us know in the comments below. If you like this video, give us thumbs up. And if you want to see our future videos, I recommend you to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.